Today is October 3rd, and here is our agenda for today. All right, so welcome back after a few days on break. We have an action-packed day. We're going to be busy catching up things from before the break, and then we'll all kind of move at our own pace with getting with today's work. So, before the break, we worked on test corrections. So if you did not get an opportunity to do that, that's going to be one of the first things you do at the beginning of the class period, after, of course, gluing down your QR code and updating your table of contents and taking the vocab quiz. Also, with this test correction opportunity, you're going to want to make sure that you only correct the answers that are highlighted. You need to also make sure that you erase the answers that are incorrect, so that when I scan your answer document, it's not confused or think you have two answers selected. So erase, then choose a new answer. We also finished with, after the test corrections, we started, rather, not finished, but we started our writing essay on changes, physical and chemical. So if you didn't finish it, or if you were absent and need to start it, you'll get that material today. Those of you that were able to start it on Friday, you will need to finish it in class today. Those of you that started today, you can take it home and finish it for homework. But I do want to get most of those in, if not all, by Tuesday. Then it's time for notebook checks. So if you see your name here, it means that I'm collecting your notebook today. Make sure you drop it off in the designated location. And I'll give it back to you upon my review. After we finish this top section here, then we're going to get into this week's material. So we have here the periodic table handout, and what you do, you'll click the link. Once you click the link, it takes you to a different PowerPoint that covers how to color the periodic table, which we're going to look at the three main regions, and we'll learn a little bit about that when we do our activity on Tuesday. And then you're going to take some basic notes. We're not going to dig into what any of it means right now. It's just a matter of having it so that when we do our activity tomorrow, a lot of it will make sense. You'll have something to refer to. So we're kind of doing some of the prep work before doing the actual activity in the hallway tomorrow. Now, you have until Wednesday to get this activity done, but we're going to throw in a game. We're going to do a quizzes. And it's due on Wednesday, and all you have to do, again, we have this blue link, so we're going to click it, and then you want to make sure you use this code, and you have 4 zeros there. So you want to click the code, follow directions, you want to join the game, you want to make sure you get your avatar, and then you want to start the game. It'll ask you to also type in your name so that I can see how well you performed. Now, again, we've just started this material. We've also had a break to consider, so we may need a refresh, so we'll play more than one game during this unit. And then only my last class of the day, I do need you to get online and look at the Canvas, as I have uploaded 2 modules that you need to work on. One pertaining to a water essay, and all the details are there. And then the other one is for setting up your thing link, because you have an activity that'll be due next week using technology on the periodic table. So again, you want to make sure that you review that information on Canvas. Last reminders, we have conference week next week, so conference forms should have gone home today, or definitely by tomorrow. And then you want to make sure you're studying your element flashcards. I have not done my check of these yet, but you want to at least make sure you're studying all the words. And then you will have your periodic table test on October 11th. And that's your agenda for today.